Hey lovelies, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make yogurt at home. Many of you might have already tried making yogurt or curd several times at homes, but sometimes you might have experienced that your curd has not come out perfectly nice and thick. So need not to worry, in this video, I'm going to be sharing some important tips and tricks by which every time you'll able to make a perfectly thick and creamy yogurt. So keep watching the video till the end and make a note of all the hacks and pointers. So without any ado, let's get started and check out the process. For this, you will be needing a good quality milk. So here I have taken whole milk. Now let me show you. Whole milk means full cream milk. So this is grade A homogenized milk. So basically, for making a good yogurt, try and take the best quality milk available in your market. Now here I have taken 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So I know some of you might be wondering how come yogurt is required for making yogurt. So you can simply understand that this is a method by which 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite and expensive yogurt can be converted to almost 2 gallons of it. That too at the price of the milk. Like last week, I bought this yogurt. This was a probiotic non-fat yogurt which was plain or non-flavored one along with 41 billion live probiotics. So when it was about to finish, what I did is I took out around 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Here it is. And now I'm gonna be using it for making more of it. Also, I'll be using the same container. So for the very first step, let's measure the milk as per this container. So fill in the container with the milk. That's it. So now we are going to boil it. Take a pan and pour all the milk into it. There we go. Now let it come to one boil. Make sure your flame should be at medium temperature, neither low nor high but at medium. Then with the help of a spoon or a fork, keep stirring it occasionally. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Then when it comes to a boil, simmer the flame and stir and cook for 2-3 more minutes. So that's it. Switch off the gas and let it cool down. So guys, this is a very crucial stage. The temperature of milk should neither be too hot nor at room temperature. So the best way to check the milk is dip your clean finger into the milk, and if you feel burning sensation after 4-5 seconds, then that is a perfect stage. So now time to add in the yogurt culture into the milk. So beat it a little and also add in few teaspoons of milk so that it comes to a pouring consistency. Mix it well. So I'm gonna add few more teaspoons of milk. So here comes around 3-4 teaspoons. That's it. It's perfect now. Now put 2-3 teaspoons of yogurt culture at the bottom of the container. This way. Spread it evenly all over. See. Spread it evenly. Now fill half the container with the milk. There we go. Okay, so now again add few teaspoons of yogurt. Add around 3-4 more spoons. Like this. That's it. Mix everything together. Stir it well. And now again pour in the milk and this time fill in the container. Now add in all the remaining yogurt culture like this. So just to ensure nothing gets wasted, add in few teaspoons of milk like this and then pour in all the yogurt into it. This way nothing will be wasted and all the yogurt will go in the milk. Add into it. There we go. That's it guys. Our yogurt mix is ready. So give it a final stir like this. Now place the lid and place the container in a warm place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preheat my oven for around 30 seconds. So guys, make sure it's just for 30 seconds and not much, because we are not doing any baking. We are just creating a warm environment. And then after around 30 seconds, please ensure that you are switching off the oven. Please do not forget to switch it off, guys. Alright, so now keep the container in the oven. Then do not touch it, close the oven, and then forget it for around 5 to 6 hours. Then after 5 to 7 hours, open the oven and take out the container. Now let's see what is the condition of our yogurt. So let's open the lid. And guys, can you see how thick, rich and creamy this yogurt has come out to be? Let me show you. So see, I'm tilting this box, this container, and then also nothing is happening. There is not even a drop of water. Now let me cut and show you. So in goes my spoon and see the beauty. So perfect and amazing this yogurt has come out to be. Let me give you a closer look. See. Well, I'm feeling like keeping this directly into my mouth, but since I have to show you properly, so I'll not do this. One more thing guys, if you don't have oven, no worries. You can use microwave oven, or simply you can wrap the container in any warm blanket and keep in any warm and undisturbed place in your house. So going forward, always keep these 5 pointers in mind and your yogurt will always come out to be very nice and thick. First is, take good quality of milk and yogurt starter. Second is, the yogurt starter or seed yogurt or culture must be at room temperature. Thirdly, after boiling the milk, let it cool down to the temperature wherein if you dip your finger in it, you must feel burning sensation within 3 to 4 seconds. Then fourth point is, after mixing the milk and yogurt, do not move or shake the container at any cost. And the last one is, make sure you provide warm environment around the container. It's not compulsory that you are using any oven, just wrap it up in any blanket and place it in warm environment. So if you adhere to these 5 tips and tricks, every time your yogurt will come out to be perfect. So friends, that's all for today. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care and bye-bye.